गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, स्वागत है आप लोगों का मेरे और एक नए वीडियो में। अभी सुबह के 6 बजे हैं और हम लोग जाने वाले हैं एक लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे मेरी बाइक लेके, और एक ट्रैक जैसा होगा हमारा। द प्लेस वे आई एम गोइंग टू ट्रेवल इज कॉल्ड डोडामार्ग। ये महाराष्ट्र में है एंड इट्स कॉल्ड भेकुली माउंटेन टॉप। डोडामार्ग फॉरेस्ट और जो माउंटेन्स है इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ द सह्याद्री माउंटेन रेंजेस. Okay, Sahyadri mountain range is a part of the Western Ghats as well. It shares a border between Goa and Maharashtra. This is one of the dense forest of Maharashtra, which offers natural homes for millions of creatures. Western Ghats are, if you all don't know, is the lifeline of South India. It stretches for about 1,600 kilometers from the state of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The place where I'm going to stay is kind of close to the nature. The resort name is Ina Nature Stay. I will be showing you all the property in the coming second video. Now let's get ready and prepare ourselves for a long drive which is about 95 kilometers from my place.
Down the street with your red lips and funky beat, you better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around, can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down, ready to ride.
I won't advise taking a long such distance of traveling with the bike. It's around like 95 kilometers since I'm a nature lover and long ride, so this is enjoyable for me.
If you're ready and willing, if you know it's time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Whether you're ready or not.
Finally we are here. I'm very excited to be near the nature.
Break free of history. This train is racing straight ahead. No man can do like I can. I'm the queen of the land.
So I am finally at the Aina Nature Stay and in my hotel room right now. Now the organizer called Sunny and two of the helpers will take me to the base of the mountain, and we will take a car along with us since it's 7 to 8 kilometers from the hotel. So this mountain which we will be climbing, okay, is called a Bhekuli mountain top in Dodamarg.
Haters gonna hate. Won't be sorry now. Shoot me down, but I'll rise again. I'm laying down the law and you've been served. For my 1 billion, my billion, been holding up half the sky.
This region, this area, no, where my property is, it is classified as an elephant corridor. So we get a lot of elephants,
Elephants?
from January to May.
Is it?
Yeah. Huge elephants, all fully grown adult elephants.
Raise your hand if you're ready and willing. If you know it's time. Time for a girl on time.
It's on the other mountain.
What is the name of the fort?
It is known as Pargad.
Pargad.
Pargad is a very old Maratha fort built by the Shivaji.
Shivaji?
Marathas,
Yeah, okay.
So, fort means there is not much of fort, but the ramparts are there.
Ramparts are there.
Ramparts are there, and there's a
Time for a girl on time.
we have the great hornbill bird.
Oh,
Yeah. The bird what the big wingspan.
they are migrated ones, right?
Whether you're ready or not. Time for a girl on time.
We will be going actually another from where we stop,
Yeah.
from the base. From there we'll be going maybe about a kilometer or two up the mountain.
Whether you're ready or not.
So finally guys, we are at the base of the camp and it's going to be a lovely experience. That's the mountain we are going to climb. Guys, it's a lovely experience. We are still climbing the mountain. You will see waterfall during the rainy season in the month of July. So no, that's okay. Can you help me say that name? I keep on forgetting the name of this mountain. Bhekuli. B-H-E-R-L-I. Is it? So we're going up there, guys.
Your video.
We have to be careful while we walk. The slope here is a bit slippery. While climbing is
This guy will come. No, don't worry. I'll get the phone.
the view. See the view, guys. Oh my god. What? Chala. Oh, Bhagna. Where you can put the camps and all and stay overnight. So this is my dream, and this is the places where I love, near the nature, all mountains, water and peaceful. Oh, see, it's like a huge playground. It's a lovely place. Yeah, there no Keri.
Yeah.
That's a Keri.
Bhekuli. That is Bhekuli.
Bhekuli, yeah.
Ah,
Oh,
behind that
oh,
tree.
that's it, yeah. Yeah, that's the ground we got. Wait 1 second. See this dung? Okay, this is from basin. Okay, over it. That's a wild. So Sunny, what wild animals do we get here?
There are bisons.
Okay.
You get monitor lizard. There is sambar also. Sometimes you can spot. We spotted one on the last trek.
Yeah.
And apart from that, there are some leopards also. If you are lucky, you can spot. And other small animals.
Wow. So guys, this is the end of my exploration on this mountain. I will show you guys a tour of my hotel room where I stayed in our next video. Keep exploring our Mother Earth. Run to those places which gives you peace. Be happy and healthy always. I will see you in our next video. So guys, always be careful while you go on a treks. So I'm bitten by a leech here. I don't know. Leeches on the way eager to bite you off. So just applied salt on this.